All right, Matt. You're a traitor, aren't you?
No.
Okay,
A left-hand shake. I'm not a traitor.
Neither am I. Good.
If you are a traitor, kill me last.
I'm not.
I know. But I'm saying,
I can honestly say, honestly, I haven't been a traitor yet. But
I will willingly take my death if you're a traitor.
I'm willingly the guy that's going to stir the pot and actually start shit. Because so far that's been me. Every round that's got really boring.
Hey, I started shit last 2 rounds ago.
Okay. Okay, game's not even started yet, and they're already putting the gun at me. Everyone ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Yep, Jemiah, walk away from the gun.
Hey!
Whoa!
Hey!
Whoa!
Back the
Whoa!
Back the fuck up! I don't trust you, detective.
Oh! Shots! Shots fired!
Hey! Jamal, did you just shoot? Detective, go check that shit out. Here. Someone here. Not Sean. I think Casey's too quiet. No, I'll take the point.
So am I.
Yeah. I say we get behind people.
You wanna? I'll take a penalty this round. Oh! Hit! I knew it! I fucking knew it was Brayden! Brayden and Jemiah, I knew it! Actually, I thought it was Sean.
Give me your cards! I fucking knew it. You were being way too nice.
See, you gave it away on that, on when you did the, separate.